Hello, my YouTube family. Here I am with another vlog with a lot of another packages. And, you know, again, today I received a lot of packages, but this time I did not have the patience to not open all of them. So I have already opened two or three of them, and some of them are still not open. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll open that in front of you people. But actually, there were some clothings today, and I was really excited to open them. Although there was like ऐसा कुछ बहुत special नहीं था. It was just the basic nightwears and something like that, night suits and all and lowers. But when it comes to clothing, although when it comes to clothing, I'm very excited. I'm like, I cannot stop myself from opening them and trying them, so that if in case it does not fits me and I have to return it, I can do it as quickly as possible. So without further chatting and without further ado, let's quickly move on to open all the packages for you people. So yeah, we'll start with the clothing packages first, and then we'll move on to further accessories and everything, whatever the rest packages are, right? So okay, so yeah, this is a night suit, and it was from Myntra. And the quality and everything I have already checked. I've already tried it on myself. It is just that it was like it looks something like this. If you can see, the quality and everything is good. It's a pure cotton night suit, and it's a half sleeves pure cotton. I liked it. It was good. क्लोथिंग्स का तो मतलब अपनी अपनी चॉइसेस होते हैं, पसंद होती हैं. You can order whatever you want, and it's just that they have arrived today, so I am just showing it to you. I have ordered a few lowers for me. One was brown, and the other one was red in color. So why brown and red, and why not black? Because I am not supposed to wear my favorite color black after the marriage for at least 1 year. So yeah, I'm trying to buy everything in red or like maroon, blue, yellow, any color, but not black. And it's very hard for me, but yeah. And then there is this another thing that I opened. I have just opened. ये तो मम्मा ने मंगाया था, and it is a 5 meter long, uh, a decorative cloth. It's a piece of net which you usually find now on that, what do you say, बहुत सारे पैकेजिंग मटेरियल्स में आपको मिलता है. आप जब शादी के लिए बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ें पैक कर रहे होते हो ना, तब यू फाइंड दिस. कभी आपको कहते हैं गिफ्टिंग आइटम्स जब आप दे रहे होते हो ना, आई कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट ऑन माई वेडिंग ट्रूजो. लेट्स सी, stay with me to know यहाँ इसे एक्चुअली मैं कहाँ यूज करती हूँ. इवन आई एम नॉट श्योर, ममा विल लेट मी नो. एंड apart from this, yeah, there was this interesting package that I had received. You know, I have seen a lot of brides or even non-brides जो ऐसे मेहंदी मेहंदी लगाते हैं, और मेहंदी लगाने के बाद then they put some white tape or something like that so that their mehendi is like stuck on their hand, and it doesn't fall because it's very irritating when your mehendi is like drying and then falling off by itself. So yeah, so my plan is to get all my mehendi done by the evening or by the night around 9 or 10, and then I wrap my hands with this bandage with I've seen it in a lot of reels, but I actually did not know what it is exactly. I thought it's something new, some new invention in the market, some new thing in the cosmetic world. But it's actually a medical grade bandage, and you can find it in any medical shop. And I was really skeptical whether it is the right thing that I'm ordering, because again and again it was like a medical bandage. But then it has arrived. I've checked it, and yeah, it is the same thing. So I feel like it's a good thing. I will get all my mehndi done, and once it is like around 90% dried, around 70-80% when it is dried, I'll put this bandage on so that and I can sleep peacefully without worrying that आपके बेड शीट्स पे स्टेन हो जाएगा, या आपकी वो बार बार गिरेगी पूरी रात इधर उधर. So yeah, this will be, it's a very small minute thing, but they make your life easy as a bride. Actually, I did not get the time to open this package. Something happened, and I just got busy. So yeah, let's see. Oh, okay. So, spoiler alert. I Oh my god, it's pretty. It's actually looking good. I do not want to open it unless for my papa come. So basically, it's a parrot green kurta and a pajama for my papa, for my father, because haldi ka theme. It's parrot green. I thought to do something different, and spoiler alert for you guys. So my theme for my haldi is this parrot green color, and this is the kurta that I've ordered for my father. I am liking it. We'll see once he wears it how it goes on him. So yeah, I'll let you know. I guess nothing is left. Yeah, there's just one. There is this one last package that I have not opened. I wanted to open this package for you guys, in front of you guys actually, because I know what it is. It is just that I wanted an honest reaction of mine and yours as well. Please do let me know in the comments whether you liked it or not. Okay, this looks nice. This is another jewelry that I've ordered. I do not know, but I am obsessed with these niche jewelries because I liked it, but honestly, I do not like it like the one I had opened it yesterday. I had opened yesterday. So yeah, let's see whether you approve it or not. Oh, I love it. It's good. Okay, let me show you how it looks. You know, this actually looks very aesthetic. There is this goddess picture. I guess we call it a temple jewelry, something. One of my boa told me that we call it temple jewelry. I was not aware of it. But yeah. So I guess it looks good. I can try it on right now, but it's too much of a struggle. So we'll do it later on. As of now, so there is this jewelry, there is this necklace, along with it, there are two earrings that we have got in the similar pattern, and even the earrings. Actually, the kundan work is so beautiful, um, so intricate, and so beautiful, so clean, neat. I am liking the jewelry. So again, a good buy for me. So आज की तो market यहीं पे खत्म होती है. We'll definitely see you guys in the next video, and till then, keep supporting me, keep liking the videos. Do let me know if like there is anything that you would like to, like me to make video on. And yeah, that's all from me. Thank you so much, and please do like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Bye bye.